skincare, skincare, skincare. You guys, today we're going to be talking about skincare, and we're doing my morning routine, and I want to show you guys a few tricks and tips that I do that is not conventional, but I'm a 30-something-year-old and my skin is glowing. So I'm going to share with you guys what I actually do, the products that I love and buy myself. This is not gifted, this is not sponsored. This is me letting you guys in on my best secrets for flawless glowing skin. And I mean, I wouldn't say flawless because I definitely have to deal with some of my own skincare issues, but I will show you the products I use to address those. So let's get to it. Oh wait, before we get into it, I do want to say thank you to everybody who has been around the last few weeks and has liked and commented and subscribed. And if you are new here, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video because they come out every Saturday. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, I will tell you my number one secret. I do not use face wash in the morning. I don't wash my face because let me tell you why. During the night, the products that you use in your evening skincare routine absorbs into your skin and helps rebuild your skin barrier. So now in the morning, if you're using face wash, it's just stripping away everything that you've worked so hard to build. What I do instead is I will rinse my face down with water, and then once I get out of the shower, I use this product. So this is grape water mist, and you can actually use this over makeup, under makeup. I like to use it first thing in the morning. I feel like it really hydrates. Very refreshing. I honestly don't know how to say it, but this is the product that I use. I feel like this gives me a good base and hydration before I put any of my other products on. So the way I do my skincare is first thing in the morning, don't wash my face, but I use my hydration products. I have a lot of texture on my cheeks, and that has been one of my biggest problems for years, and I haven't quite figured out how to get rid of it, but I have figured out how to minimize it. So the texture on my cheeks is not exactly pimples, but it's just texture. So I use this Aha Baha exfoliator by Paula's Choice. This I've been using for the last few months, and I do notice that it does cut down like a big difference, and I usually just use it on my cheeks. So I don't really use it anywhere else on my face, but just right there. And then I let that dry for a little bit. I like to take my time in between products. At this point, I stop doing what's on my face and then I move to my body. So typically when I get out of the shower, I'll pat myself like towel dry down, but I don't like to completely dry my skin. Here's why. So I go in with an oil while my skin is still damp, because what you want to do is lock in that moisture, because in our 30-somethings, moisture is so important. So this is what I use, and honestly, I'm gonna tell you guys a little hack, okay? So I bought this, and it's like kind of expensive. So when it got down to a little more than half, I just went and filled it up with coconut oil, and it still smells amazing and a little more bang for your buck, because you know we are not in the business of wasting money. This product, absolutely love it, smells amazing, absorbs into your skin so you're moisturized but not oily. But once you add that coconut oil in, it's a little oily. You still get that good hydration. And then Boom Boom Cream. This is one of my favorite lotions of all time. It smells so good, like a dream, like a little summer holiday. And I'll usually pair this with like the body mist, but they did just come out with like a fall flavor, and it's like caramel something vanilla. I bought it yesterday, I'm not gonna lie, I did, and it smells fantastic. The Brazilian Crush Cheirosa. Oh yeah, Cheirosa. Caramelized vanilla and macadamia. It smells like fall. Amazing. But this has been my body duo, so if you've ever wondered what I smell like, it's this. So at this point, everything on my face should be somewhat absorbed, so then we go back in. My next step that I do is a vitamin C dark spot care. Goodala, Jenny got me this from Korea. Love it. I do have a olive undertone, and that tends to get dark spots. I have a few dark spots on my cheeks. They're super cute in the summertime, like look like little freckles, and then in the winter, it's like muddy. Big vitamin C fan. I use it on those little spots on my cheeks, on my upper lip, and then I do this on my neck and chest. And remember you guys, any type of products that you're using for your face, bring it down. bring it down, use it on your neck, use it on your chest, because when you get to like the upper 30s, like I am, this starts showing your age. If you're in your early 20s, mid 20s, early 30s, ladies, now is the time, if you haven't already, start taking care of your neck and your chest, because this and these will show your age. Another tip I want to give you guys, if you ever have extra product, let's say like, oh, you know, you put this like all over your face, I always wipe it on the back of my hands. Like always, that's where my extra product goes, back of your hands. I have been using this probably for like 5 years now. This is my absolute favorite eye cream. It has caffeine in it, so this will depuff your eyes, and I am a very puffy girl. Let me just tell you that right now. Like I get very puffy under eyes, so this helps depuff, smooth. This eye cream has drastically helped my dark under eye circles and depuffing, because I look sleepy when I wake up in the morning and even sometimes throughout the day. So this is amazing. I love this one. Autocorrect by Sunday Riley. Okay, and then because I have little bald eyelashes like a little mole rat, I have to use Grande Lash. So at that point, after I do the eye cream on my eyes, I just go in, do a little liner with that to make my eyelashes grow long and strong. This is the point that I'm like telling you ladies, it is time to start taking care of your neck. I know that this is not exactly the most clean beauty routine, but I'm just sharing with you what I've been using for the last few years and what has really, really worked for me. So this Zoe Skin Health, this, you can see like I've already used a ton of it. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. This is my third bottle, and this is a firming serum that I use on my neck, because I have noticed that as I've got like, I'm saying aging, as I have been lifing gently, noticed some like crepiness under my chin and around the top of my neck. I've been using religiously, and I do feel like it softens it a little bit. Definitely plumps it right when I put it on. I feel like there really isn't like anything that's like long term for crepiness. You just really have to just take care of your skin, be gentle with your skin, and use sunscreen. So after all these things have dried and I've done all my layers, now it is time for moisturizer, because we have to lock in everything that we just did. First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream. And as you can see, I am almost out. This I used throughout the summer. I went through 2 jars of this, and it was great because it is a little more lightweight. It is moisturizing, but it's definitely not a good winter product. I feel like it absorbs fast and then you can't feel it, which again is perfect for summer. But because we are moving into winter and fall, or we're in fall and we're moving into winter, you want something that's a little bit richer, heavier, going to moisturize a little bit more. So, Drunk Elephant. This brand I've been using again for like 5-6 years. Lala Retro Whipped Cream. This one smells so good. It's so thick. That's all you need. Literally take that. I'm just gonna put this on my hands right now, but it just smells like fresh. This one, I believe it has baobab oil in it. Let me check. So I don't 100% remember, because it might be on the box, it doesn't say on this, but I'm pretty sure this has baobab oil in it, and that is one of my favorite oils. And if you've been following me for a long time, you know that I have dealt with perioral dermatitis, and when it was really bad and flared around my eyes and my nose and mouth, I actually used just pure baobab oil, and that really helped soothe and heal the cracking skin. Let me tell you, my skincare, it has been a journey, but I take skincare very seriously. Which brings me to the next and one of the final steps is protection. Protection, sunscreen. I use both of these different types of sunscreen. Usually I do this one for the gym, and while I'm out, this is great for reapplying. And then this is my glow screen, and I love this one by Supergoop. They are a clean beauty brand, and they give this really beautiful, it's kind of messy, but again, these are my products. I do really like this product because it does go great over your products, but you have to wait until it's completely absorbed. Otherwise, you'll get this like little peeling effect that is not cute, and it's basically wasting your products. Wait for everything to dry before you put your sunscreen on. But I do like how hydrated and shiny that looks. And everything smells pretty dang good. Okay, so this sunscreen, it's called the Glow Stick. It's SPF 50. Really great to reapply throughout the day. Basically want to be reapplying sunscreen every like 3 to 4 hours, depending on if you're out in the sun, if you've been sweating your makeup off. This one is actually great for over makeup. You can just put it on. Work it in. And that is like my favorite sunscreen. Half the battle is going to be taking care of the damage or your current state your skin is in. And then the other half is going to be prevention. So what you're wanting to do is actually preventing aging signs, which I mean, you know, some of it's just gonna happen. It's natural and we're blessed and lucky if we get to do it. But we can take steps to minimize or address the things that we are maybe not so happy with. So one of the last things that I do is I finish it off with chapstick. So I always like my lips to be hydrated before I do any type of like lip gloss, lipstick, lip liner. I really want to make sure I have like a good smooth base. This one I've been using for a very long time. I have a bunch of their different, I guess they're called flavors. Yeah, a bunch of their different scents and flavors. I'm not sure what you call chapstick flavor scents, maybe. But anyways, it smells so good. And that is how I finish it off. And as you can see today, I'm wearing very, very light makeup. The majority of what you're seeing is skincare. Now, one of the weird things I want to share with you, okay, this is gonna seem very weird, but it is dermatologist backed and tested and approved. You can order this online. You can get it off of Amazon, and it's just pure vitamin C. This is absorbic acid. It's a powder, like that. So what I do, I put the vitamin C powder into my hand and then put a tiny bit of water in it, emulsify it, and it's gonna feel like a scrub. And then you're going to gently massage and exfoliate your face. I mostly have issues with hyperpigmentation around my cheeks. Any dark spot areas that you're experiencing, like chest, neck, forehead. I know a lot of people get it like T-zone and like upper lip. So this is going to help really lighten and brighten because it's pure vitamin C that you're exfoliating into your face. I will say that you only want to do this twice a week. This is what I've been doing twice a week, and I feel like it has really helped lighten up all those like little tiny things this may have missed. It is a very, very strong, potent way of delivering vitamin C to your skin. So give it a try. You can get it off Amazon. And again, you put a little bit in your hand, a little bit of water, emulsify, gently, lightly exfoliate your face or any areas that might have that hyperpigmentation that you want to work on. Let it sit for 10 minutes, wash it off, cold water, and then do your skincare routine. I actually did it this morning and feeling very fresh. All right, ladies and gents, thank you so much for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another Saturday's video. And if you guys want to leave me a comment and let me know which products you use, which products you have never heard of, or which products you are going to try, I will be reading your comments. Also, be sure to let me know if you would like to see my evening skincare routine and maybe my post-gym skincare routine. Either way, I'll talk to you soon and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!